What is up, you guys? Full on belly. This is me, 24 weeks. Got the dogs with me. Here's Angel. Hi, mamas. And then Benjamin. Benji. Hi, baby. So I haven't been recording or anything like that because literally we moved to Southern California. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. I need to do my hair and stuff. I really want to do a video for you guys and stuff. Okay, sorry, my camera freaking died. So I switched the battery and stuff, but oh my god, my hair is crazy. But it's so funny holding this big ass camera, but this is my camera, playing some music on my iPhone and stuff. So there's been a lot of I feel like beauty sales and stuff going on and everything like that, but after driving down here, because I drove from Northern California and stuff, and the drive was maybe 5, almost 6 hours and stuff, because I had to keep pulling over and all that stuff, going to the rest areas to use the restroom because the baby was kicking my bladder and stuff like that. But I have a few things that I want to show you guys that I got. I still want to do my BoxyCharm video. Give me a like if you still want to see that for the month of September, because I got the BoxyLuxe and I took a sneak peek and stuff at it, and y'all, this BoxyLuxe is bomb. I just want to swatch everything and just show you guys what you can get in your BoxyCharm and stuff. But yeah, I know September is almost over with and I'm so behind and stuff, but yeah, give me a like if you want to see that. As well, I bought a few items from Ulta. Ulta had their 21 days of beauty, which is their sale. I think they had all their products was 50% off or something like that. So yeah, so that is nice. I only got a few items. I kind of want to do a haul with that and everything like that, but yeah, you guys, this is me, preggo, out of breath. So if you hear me struggling to talk, it's because baby boy in here is making it a little hard for me. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so that's super exciting. Get to check on little man, see how he's doing. Sleeping is getting worse and stuff, but I'll probably do a separate video of my second trimester and everything like that. Still don't have any stretch marks, so that's cool and everything. In my video that I'll do of the second trimester, I'll kind of go over what I've been using and stuff. But this is my OOTD of the day. I don't know, I wanted to just show you guys my belly and stuff, so I tied my black t-shirt in a knot, and then I have Pretty Little Thing leggings on, super comfy for the belly and stuff. And then I have my pantuflas. Let's not zoom in too much in those toes because, girl, I need to do those. But pantuflas is Spanish. That's in Spanish, means my, how do you even say it in English? It's not your sandals, it's your house shoes. I always say pantuflas, so I always forget what the name of it is in English. But yeah, today's plan, I'm gonna try to tackle on the beauty room and stuff. Maybe try to hang something, my flower canvas thing on the wall. That way we can see it in the background and stuff. So it'll probably be a different setup in here and everything. But hopefully I didn't miss anything. Yeah, pretty much we moved from Northern California to Southern California and stuff, so it's been interesting. The view is nice and everything like that. Really enjoying all the mountains that are surrounding the area and everything. But yeah, maybe I'll do a house tour or something. But y'all, I don't even know if I want to show y'all this other room, because I was looking for stuff and I destroyed the room even more with all our boxes and stuff. So yeah, maybe I'll do a final thing of when the house is like organized and stuff. It's an older home. It's cute, kind of cute, yeah, whatever. But yeah, I feel like I'm rambling now. Okay, but maybe if I can see how to do a time lapse on here, I'll set my camera up and we'll set the beauty room up together. Okay guys, so I think so far I have the beauty room finished. I am hot, sweaty, and I don't know what he is. Benj, you're cute. You're cute. Okay, anyways, cleaned off this mirror. It was a pain in the ass. I did hang this canvas of the flowers. It's not really like super centered, but it'll do. I can just like stand right here and like kind of, I guess, crop it in or whatever, or I'll just have my husband fix it, because yeah. And Benjamin's making himself at home in the beauty room. I have this stand over here that you guys probably seen, that I put most of my makeup and stuff. Here's all my liquid lipsticks. And then the beautiful view of my vanity. So got the ring light and stuff. And it's just like a different setup for me. When I'm recording, I'm gonna try to put my camera here, and we'll see how that light is gonna be in the room and stuff. But yeah, so far this portion is empty. Usually I would have my massage table, just in case if I want to do a facial or something like that on my husband or anybody. But since the camera's gonna be over there, I kind of like don't want that in the background, so I just put that crap in the closet. But yeah guys, so that, let me get like a better, okay, I love this picture behind me. Ross Finds. I love Ross. I love finding stuff at Ross. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know the lighting might have been off and stuff, but I'm so out of breath. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.